Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, in this video we want to take a look at the shorter time frame chart, shorter time frame wave count, maybe a quick look in the beginning to just have a look at the bigger picture so everybody's on the same page here. So we open the long-term chart for ADA and then we can see this structure here, and I don't want to talk about that too much. We did that in the last few days. I mean, at the moment really nothing changed, but on the shorter time frame, we're now obviously in a pullback, in some kind of an internal pullback, and therefore I think we should focus more on that to understand the micro support levels. But looking at the bigger picture, I mean, we talked about it, as long as the November low is holding, or let's say as long as the micro support levels on the 1 hour chart are holding, we should be able to focus on higher. The focus is on higher. We expect further price action to the upside, and I'm rather looking, north. It is the main question here is if we are, and that is only valid as long as these micro support levels are holding, right? The idea is, it could be the white count, which needs another 4-5 pattern. Then we complete wave 1 of a larger third wave. Then we could get a wave 2 pullback, then a third of a third, a fourth wave, a fifth wave, which would complete the larger third wave. And then we should already be sort of in the mid $2 region. It is possible that it's doing this in a direct way so that we don't get this nice, okay, wave 4, wave 5, nice wave 2 pullback. If we do, great, and it's a great setup. But there are ways how ADA could extend more aggressively, very directly, so that we say we had a 1, 2, and then maybe, I don't know, maybe a hidden series of 1, 2 setups, and we just break out, and then we just do this in one go in the third wave. So again, the pullbacks aren't guaranteed along the way. We now have a few pullbacks. People have been waiting for pullbacks. So we'll see. So we'll see. The idea is that we're now probably, however, still in this C wave of an internal third wave. The next upside target would be around 78 cents, the March high, and the 78.6 extension. So now we need to take a look at the micro count to take a look at this internal pullback. As I said, it's likely this fourth wave pullback within wave C of 3. Target, as I said, 78 cents or so, and we're moving still in this descending wedge, which I think I showed you in the last video. These tend to break out to the upside. I think it's all meeting there. There are a couple of fib levels meeting around 50 cents. It's the 38.2 retracement, the smaller fibs, and the larger as well for the larger degree. And we have possibly this trend line find support there as well. So we might get one more low. I mean, in yesterday's update, I shared with you the micro count, where we say we have an ABC down in a wave 4 in white, or it's the WXY structure, which is a bit more of a complex one in yellow. Actually, it doesn't make a difference, but it should sit here. I mean, it doesn't make a difference for the support levels, because then we can say this is an A, B, C in yellow of wave 4. That's actually the correct wave count. WXY is a more complex correction, and WXY. Problem is with the WXY, it can easily be mistaken for a 5-wave move down, but we have a corrective pullback, and it looks like trend continuation to the upside. Key support for wave 4 is 46 cents. So wave 4 support shouldn't break below it if it's this wave count, and the 50-cent level ideally holds. I mean, that's the ideal level, but we could still allow for a dip to 46, but that would be quite deep already for an internal fourth wave. Below that level, the structure will change. So current expectations would be for the price to find support at either 50 cents or 46, turn around, rally to 78. I'd like to see that. Can I guarantee it? No. There is another wave count where we say, okay, maybe we're already in the larger degree wave 4. Then support could be found at 42.3 if it breaks below 46. But below that, I haven't got anything clearly bullish left, I have to say. I mean, then I would have to assume it formed the 3-wave top. It's breaking down. But the current price action, at least based on what I see right now, rather suggests upside, because it's a corrective pullback, nice and slow. So we'll keep a close eye on that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.